still the base case. And when we fast forward to today, it seems to me like at the lows we were indeed too bearish, we did indeed have a blow off tops to new highs, and now we're just trying to figure out whether there's more gas left in this goose or whether we are in the process of making a top here. For a long time on this channel, we've been pointing at this schematic and saying we suspected we were somewhere approaching FOMO and euphoria. We had the tariff tantrum spill, which was akin to this bear trap here, and then we'd moved significantly higher, and again, we were somewhere between that FOMO and euphoria on the schematic. Running back to this chart here, you can see we had the run up, okay, the tariff tantrum spill, and this is probably somewhere between FOMO and euphoria. But we have also been keeping an awareness to the idea that the top could potentially be a more sneaky and distributive type rollover. 1965 SPX fractal. And whilst we were saying we think the blow off top is going to come and we want to be long and strong for a while longer and we think there's probably more upside ahead, so far we are indeed putting in a sideways potentially distributive topping pattern, okay? So invalidation, as you'll see when we get to the TA and the live trades a bit later on, is essentially just a break, a convincing and decisive break through that 7K level. If so, Camel will be long and strong and wrong on this idea, and we will continue to push to new highs and continue to cheer on a blow off top for at least a few weeks thereafter, okay? If not, maybe a couple of months even. But as you'll see at the end, we are currently hedged short just in case this turns out to be some kind of topping pattern and roll over. Okay, if this is the blow off top completed right here and it rolls over, fine, okay, we shorted the top and we will move on to the next part of this, which is the global bear market, the recession, and ultimately slipping into deflation. But until such time as that happens, I am currently kind of leaning bearish and positioned short in the stocks, as you'll see in a moment.